Here I've got OnePlus 8 and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then let's move to video mode and now click on the settings right here. And scroll down a bit. Here under video you will notice video resolution. Click here and pick whichever you would like to apply. Just select it, for example this one, mark it, and now it will be changed. Here you can also find out how much storage it will take. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change video quality, video resolution in your OnePlus 8. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.